Hey guys, as promised, my homemade bread without yeast. In a bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, and salt, and mix it together well. Then add in the oil, and gradually add in the warm water while mixing. When the dough has mostly come together, use your hand to knead well until all the flour is completely incorporated. Shape the dough into a ball and place it onto a greased baking tray. Flatten the dough out slightly using your hand to a maximum of 1.5 to 2 centimeters. Then use a sharp knife to make a few cuts over the top. Bake in a 180-degree oven for 30 minutes. Remove it from the oven and allow it to cool, and it's ready to use as needed. Enjoy! Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!